Let's take a look at this example. As we said earlier, the numerator is my u. The denominator is v. So I have u is equal x minus 3. The derivative of u is equal 1. v is equal x plus 2. The derivative of v is equal 1. Next, we're supposed to use this formula. So I have y prime is equal v in the numerator. So I have x plus 2 times u prime, which is 1, okay, times u prime, minus u, which is equal x minus 3, times v prime, everything over v square, which is x plus 2 square. So if y prime is equal x plus 2 and 1 times the parenthesis, and in parenthesis we have x minus 3 is going to be the same thing. So I have negative times x is going to give me negative x. Negative times negative will give me positive 3 over x plus 2 to the second power. This is equal x minus x is equal 0. 2 plus 3 is equal 5. So I have 5 over x plus 2 to the second power. And this is the solution to my problem.